Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to promote Clickbank products on YouTube. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products on YouTube. I'm going to give you 5 steps. The first one, obviously, is you're going to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you already have a YouTube channel, you don't have to start another one. You can just change the banner and pick up where you left off. Like maybe you've done some videos in the past, years ago. I would recommend just keep that same channel because you're going to have some authority and ability to rank your videos a little bit better than if you started YouTube channel from scratch. But if you start it from scratch, that's fine too. Everyone has to start somewhere. And then I recommend that you do product reviews. Now, of course, you can do a product review on the Clickbank product that you're promoting, but I would recommend if you do that, purchase the product, go through the product, give a good honest review. Ideally, you use the product, get results with it, and then do a review. And then something else that you want to think about is doing other types of product reviews, because people who are interested in buying Clickbank products are people who are interested in making money from home, entrepreneurs, those types of demographics. So when you do product reviews on MLM, you do MLM reviews, you can do product reviews on Clickbank, any product that's coming out on JVZoo or Muncheye, and you can get ahead of when it comes out, then you're going to be able to rank your videos higher. But those are just some ideas of what types of videos you could do. And then again, new company reviews, a company that just came out, you can do that. I've ranked my videos #1 a lot of times because I'm the first one to get a video up about a company that just came out. So that's the first thing. And then as far as picking what niche, the 3 that are most profitable are going to be health, wealth, and relationships. And I wouldn't recommend that you combine all of them into one channel. I would say pick one niche and then go deep into that niche. Then I'm going to leave a video in the description on how to pick a product. I just did a video on that the other day, and that'll give you some ideas of how to pick a good product. But I would say Commission Hero is a good product to promote. That just came out not too long ago. And so the gravity score isn't too high on this, but it's very, very high quality because you send people to a webinar. And Robby Blanchard is the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world. He makes millions of dollars, and he teaches how to sell on Clickbank, or sell your Clickbank products through Facebook paid ads. It's a 3-step system, and he's used it to make, like I said, millions of dollars. So I think that's a good product to promote. And then you're going to create a lead capture page. So you don't just want to send somebody to a sales page for your Clickbank product. You want to be able to capture those leads because maybe they're not interested in whatever offer you're promoting, but they might be interested in another offer that you could email to them. And I'm going to leave a video in the description also on how to create a lead capture page with ClickFunnels. And then the 4th thing you want to do is connect that lead capture page to an email follow-up series. And if it's a good Clickbank product and they have a good affiliate page, they're going to have some email follow-up series. I know I'm an affiliate for Commission Hero, and you have to apply to become one, but they have an incredible affiliate page with some really good email follow-up series in there. And then at the end of each video, you're going to have a call to action for someone to look at your #1 recommendation for making money online. And that's going to go to a ClickMagic link. So let me just kind of tell you the whole big picture here. So you have this YouTube channel, and when I started really focusing on YouTube last summer, I have a mentor, I hired a coach, and really was interested in mastering YouTube marketing, which I'm doing well with it. But I learned how to rank videos. And the thing that I learned from my mentor was don't worry so much about making money as to provide value. And that's really hard for people to understand because you're just trying to make a buck and sell this product to people. But really, when you go out and the intent of your video is to teach people something, to help people solve a problem, then it just takes all the pressure off and you start to sell because you're not so, I mean, people can tell in a video if you're trying to sell them something or if you're just trying to help them. And of course we want to make money, but if you can have that be the number one thing that you think about is what kind of problems do people have in your niche, and then make videos around that. But again, I would recommend you start a review channel and you go through products and you give an honest review, because when people come to YouTube, which is the second largest search engine, they are looking to purchase a product, and the very last thing they do is they do a review on it before they purchase it. But it doesn't have to be the product that you're promoting. That's what I want you to understand. So your number one recommendation for making money online, let's say, was Commission Hero, but you're doing a product review on maybe another Clickbank product or another MLM company that just came out. I did a review on iBoomerang. That was a new travel MLM that came out, and I ranked, I think I'm number 4 now for that, and there's a lot of traffic to that video, and I've gotten some signups into my primary business from that video. But I'm not promoting, the Clickbank product. I'm promoting something else, but I'm doing a review, and then I'm giving an honest review, giving people what they want, finding out about the company, and then I have a call to action at the end of my video for my number one recommendation for making money online. And I've gotten signups from doing product reviews, not on the product that I'm selling. I'm going to do from that too, but I want you to understand that your target audience is going to be entrepreneurs. So when you have a review channel, not only do you attract entrepreneurs, but down the road you can get residual income through Google AdSense when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And YouTube loves review channels, so it's pretty easy to get approved for Google AdSense, and then you can start earning money on the videos that you have up. I know I've said in my other videos that I started at the end of March, and it's getting close to $500 a month residual income just from the review videos that I put up months and months ago. So it's just an aside of another way that you can make money. But I wanted to show you how powerful this is to use ClickMagic, and that's a tracker, because you can change your link out. So let's say you do this review video on like iBoomerang, and then at the end of the video you say, I hope you enjoyed this video, my iBoomerang review. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And then if you'd like to learn my number one recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. So you have a call to action, and let's say you're going to be promoting Commission Hero. So this isn't the link that you would use. You would actually go into Clickbank, create a hop link. But what you would do is you'd go to ClickMagic, and I have a domain name here, Freedom from Workdays. So we're going to create a new link, and you're going to be able to track all the sales that you get from Commission Hero. So what you do here is put your URL, well actually, I take that back, you would do your URL to your lead capture page, not to your, so you would have this funnel set up. This is just an example. This one actually is for Flat Belly Fix, but you would have your lead capture page set up, and that would go to your email follow-up series, which has a link in there to your product. Let's say in this instance, Flat Belly Fix. So in your ClickMagic link, you would want that to go to your lead capture page. So let's just say this is Flat Belly Fix, and then you just name it so you know which one it is, which product you're promoting, and then you would create the link. So then you would put this link in the description below your video, not sure why let's see, how can I find that? But I want to show you how powerful this is because you can switch this link out. So let's say you have like 100 videos up and you have this link right here in the description below your video, and you just have a call to action, your #1 recommendation. Well, you can switch this out whenever you want. Okay, so you could switch it out to another Clickbank product. So let me just show you this. This was just an example I did in a video, so this is not a very good lead capture page, but so let's say you're going to promote Flat Belly Fix, and so you have this is your link in the description below your video. Well, at any time you could switch this right out here. Well, you wouldn't want to name it Flat Belly Fix. You would want it to be something like Top Recommend. That's what I have for my Top Recommend, so you could do something like that where it's not specific to a product. Okay, so you could then switch this out from Flat Belly Fix. You could switch it out and put Commission Hero in here, your lead capture page to Commission Hero. You can switch that out as often as you like, and then you can see which one converts the best. So that's a lot of leverage because let's say, like I said, if you have 100 videos out there and then you decide, oh, I don't want to, this one isn't converting very well, let me switch it out to another link. That's all you have to do is go into Clickmagic here and switch out your link to your lead capture page, and all of a sudden all your traffic's going to a different Clickbank offer. And then of course, as you're building that email list, you can send out different offers to that email list. So if you're, if they opt in with Flat Belly Fix and then later you want to promote Commission Hero, you can do that. And that's the importance of building an email list. So I hope you guys found some value in this and could follow along on how to promote Clickbank products on YouTube. This is a super, super powerful method. It's made me thousands and thousands of dollars. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below the video. And if you want to connect with me or you have any questions, I have my contact information in the description below this video. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online and offline, those will be the first 2 links in the description below this video. You can check them out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.